whole heap of paper up there and we can't get through, so well, so but we register already and we got how are you pay, man? Good morning, YouTubers. So we're going to go to the hospital and take off it and change it and hope it's it back and done. So I don't know if we got doctor for changes and then you eat cornflakes. Baby cornflakes. Yeah, man. Easter took your time. No joke. Oh, no, no. Wrong. I'm gonna put this pen camera. Okay, so we're gonna feed the chicken now. Yeah, man. Yeah. And then see the backyard. Easter, take your time. Specialist and then we get some spelling words on Monday. We study them till Friday and that is it. R-E-A-D.
Right.
W-R-I-T. Some reach at the hospital and hospital full. So guys, I got some bad news. So me trying to get you today cause the doctor not come yet. And I have to put on my name for register. So me come ever when they tell Sona to come. So we now go to the hospital today. I'm gonna film a video today. So stay tuned. So what if a paper up there and we can't get through, so well, so but we register already. And we got a premium. How you pay, man? The cashier. And then me have wait outside again. I don't know what I wait outside for. And so I have body for friend up there. I'm boarding up there in the phone, me not even can sit down. And over 2 hours me a wait. And I never did get through yet. So I'm get me and fix now, and then it off, and one man take out the name cat no, and now he Anton. Oh, he Anton again, son. Okay, YouTuber, I 6 hours and I got my cart. Go on and me eat juice. I see they eat food. And my man take off a cut no, and then the blade go cut him man. And then the man put on cream on it. And that.
So if how you feel now?
Good. Thank you for watching this video. And next time when I got clinic, you going to see it.